Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities, your go-to channel for education, scholarships, and university applications. So, if you are planning to apply to the University of Pisa in 2025 academic year, is an important update that you should know. Starting from the 2025-2026 academic year, the University of Pisa has introduced an application fee for international students. So stay tuned as I break down everything you need to know about this new policy, including the fee structure, payment process, and the important deadlines as well. So what is the application fees? Well, previously the University of Pisa did not charge any application fees for international students. However, starting in 2025, students holding a foreign qualification must pay an application fee to submit their admission request. So their fee structure categorized into three categories: low income countries, high income countries, and upper middle income countries. So if are applicants from low income countries and lower middle income countries, they have to pay 10 euros for the application fee, whereas application from upper middle income countries have to pay 20 euros. Those who are coming from higher income countries, they have to pay 30 euros fee for the applications. Make sure to check your country's classification before applying. The link to the official document in the description. And the University of Pisa follows the one paying classification for the income levels. So now let's talk about how you can pay the fee. A payment must be made directly on the university's official application portal before submitting your application. Here are the steps. You can visit the portal, access the university's portal, which I attached to the link in the description. You can go directly, where you will create an account, or if you have an existing account, you can log in, set up or access your account, and fill the application details, your personal and application information, and navigate to the payment section. And once you finalize the payment process, submit the application. And what there is, so what about the deadline? So application deadlines can vary depending on the program that you are applying for. So always check university's official website for the most up-to-date information. Question is, what should I do about the application deadlines? Let us say, always you can check the university website up-to-date information. What happens if I miss the payment deadline? So your application won't be considered. So make sure you are up to date with all the information. Now, the question comes, should I apply to the University of Pisa despite the application fee? So I'm just explaining my opinion. So while an application fee might seem like an extra burden, the University of Pisa introduced a relatively small amount compared to the other universities, other Italian universities. So if you are serious about studying at the University of Pisa, this fee should not discourage you. Just ensure that you prepare your documents as requested, and you submit your documents early and make the payments on time. So that's everything you need to know about the University of Pisa's new application fee for 2025 to 2026 academic year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone applying for the PISA this year. Also, don't forget to subscribe to a bunch of opportunities for more updates on scholarship, university applications, fellowship, conference, career advice, and you can be with a bunch of opportunities. See you in the next video. Until then, keep chasing your dreams. Thank you.